Welcome back, boys and girls. I'm so excited to continue learning about author's purpose, but first, I have to tell you a short story. I just got back from the grocery store. You won't believe what happened. I was standing in line waiting to check out behind this man, and I just happened to notice that this man was not only using one plastic bag for his items, not two plastic bags for his items, but I kept on counting how many plastic bags he used for his items. Are you ready for this? Show me with your fingers, how many do you think he used to check out all of his items? Yep, 10. Not one, not two, not 5, 10 plastic bags. One person, just one person, one time, 10 plastic bags. Boys and girls, in reading, we are learning about how authors write to persuade, inform, and entertain us. I have to tell you that what I saw at the grocery store today reminds me of what I learned when I read this book, What a Waste, by Jess French. Trash, recycling, and protecting our planet. I have to tell you that this book taught me so much about our actions and how they affect our planet. It taught me about how waste and plastic are affecting our planet. Let me show you what I mean. Remember those not paper, I wish they were paper. Remember those plastic bags I was talking about? Here's why they're so harmful. I remember reading this on page 32. Here's what the author writes. Plastic bags are used for an average of 12 minutes. That's it, 12 minutes, never again, 12 minutes. That's not the worst part, it gets worse. Sea turtles often eat plastic bags, confusing them with jellyfish. The turtle's digestive system can become blocked with plastic. Now you know why I was so sad checking out at the grocery store today. These plastic bags, our little sea turtle friends, when they see them in the ocean, boys and girls, they mistake these plastic bags for jellyfish, eat them, ingest them. And can you imagine how sick they become when their bellies are filled with plastic? I'm so happy that I learned this information. I'm not happy about what I learned, but I'm happy that I learned it because now I can change my behavior. I can become part of the solution and not part of the problem by using a reusable bag when I go grocery shopping, or a paper bag. But best would be a reusable bag. I can keep on reusing it. Boys and girls, the purpose of this book is to teach us information, to inform us about how waste and plastic affect our planet and what we can do about it. I'm wondering what other information, what other facts I can learn by reading this book. You know it's going to be a lot, and you know I love this book because I have sticky notes all over, and that's how you know I loved reading this book. I want to go to page 7. So many pages to choose from. I wrote what I was thinking on my sticky note. I wrote what I learned because it made me so sad after reading this page. Are you ready? I'm right here. This section is called the problem of waste. Waste is a problem for animals all over the world. Pets and wildlife can become tangled in plastic litter or mistake parts of it for food. Sea creatures are in the most danger. Those poor seagulls can get tangled in our litter, in our plastic. They can get tangled up. That is a sad fact that I learned. Boys and girls, I'm wondering what other information, I'm going to put my little seagull here. You're going to be safe here, big guy. I'm wondering what other information I can learn from reading this book. What else is the author trying to teach me? I'm going to let's turn to page 34. There's so many excellent sections of this book that I want to share with you, but we don't have time to read the whole book. Let me just look at this page here, page 34 and page 35. Boys and girls, as I am reading a couple of sections on this page, I want you to think about what is the author trying to teach you. I want you to write down on a sticky note what you learned as I read these pages, a section of this page. Save our seas. Imagine an island of trash in the middle of the ocean. When plastic items get washed into the sea, they clump together and form floating trash dumps. Plastic breaks down so slowly in water that it may never entirely disappear. Never entirely disappears. Sea turtles caught in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch can end up with 74% of their diets made up of ocean plastic. Can you believe that? 74% of what they eat is plastic because they are thinking that it's food and they ingest it. Okay, I want you to turn and talk to your partner. What were you thinking as I read that section? Do you not have a partner? That's okay. Go get one of your stuffed animals. Turn and talk to one of your stuffed animals. Share with them what you were thinking as I read that page. Press pause. You're back. You shared with your stuffed animal friend or your friend in person about what you learned. Boys and girls, today we learned in this one book how authors sometimes write to teach us facts and share with us important information. We learned new facts. I learned new facts. We all learned new facts after reading pages in this story, What a Waste. It is your turn now. When you are reading today, I want you to think about the author's purpose. What is the author teaching you? What did you learn? I can't wait for you to share it with me. You know what to do. On your sticky note when you are reading, write down what you are thinking. What did you learn as you were reading that book? You know what to do, readers.